Welcome back everybody, Chef David again with HHS. Game day is just around the corner, and if you're like me, you're gonna fire up that grill. So something I wanna show you that you can make at home is one of our programs that we do at our grill stations all month long. We have a Burger of the Month program. And in September, we're gonna feature a Hawaiian Burger. This Hawaiian Burger is absolutely delicious. It's salty, it's sweet, it's spicy, it's savory. It's got everything that you want in a burger, all rolled into one. I'm gonna show you how to make it at home. We've partnered with Spiceology for this recipe. We're gonna use their Maui Wowie blend. In the comments below, I do have a recipe that you can throw together if you don't have Spiceology in your area, so don't worry about that. But if you're ready, let's fire up the grill. Let's get cooking.